Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to copy and paste without formatting on a Mac. So copying and pasting without formatting is a useful trick when you want to transfer content from a website or document without carrying over unwanted formatting like font styles and sizes. To do this on a Mac, first, select the text you wish to copy and press Command+C to copy it to the clipboard. Next, open the destination where you want to paste the text, be it an email, Pages document, or any other application. As you can see, if I use the regular Command+V shortcut, everything is pasted here in our document and it would be a hassle to edit it. So instead of using the regular Command+V shortcut, use Command+Option+Shift+V to paste the content without any formatting. This ensures a clean transfer of the text, making it perfect for cases like writing emails where you want to maintain a consistent style without introducing external formatting. With this handy keyboard shortcut, you can streamline your copy and paste process and avoid the hassle of reformatting text after pasting it into your document. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.